Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy A56, one of Samsung's newest mid-range phones in the A series lineup. With enhanced features like a vibrant display, powerful camera, and a robust battery, this model brings serious upgrades from the previous generation. Let's break down the A56 design, performance, camera quality, and much more. The Galaxy A56 stands out with its stylish yet functional design. Featuring a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels, this screen is built for vivid colors and crisp detail, making it a treat for both gaming and video content. What makes it even better is the 120Hz refresh rate, which brings smoother scrolling and overall user experience. The device also boasts HDR10+ support and up to 1000 nits peak brightness, so visibility remains strong even under direct sunlight. Samsung has used Gorilla Glass Victus for durability on the front, paired with an aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel and added resilience. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1580 processor. This octa-core chipset, clocked at up to 2.5 GHz, is designed for a balance between performance and efficiency, ideal for day-to-day tasks as well as high-demand apps. Combined with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB storage options, this phone is well equipped for multitasking, streaming, and moderate gaming. For graphics, Samsung has gone with the Mali G615 GPU, which handles casual and mid-level gaming quite well, though for very high-end gaming, it may not match some Snapdragon processors. However, overall performance is fluid, with minimal stutter or lag. Next up, let's look at the camera setup. The Galaxy A56 is outfitted with a 64MP primary lens, a 12MP ultrawide sensor for expansive shots, and a 5MP macro lens for detailed close-ups. The 64MP main camera is especially impressive, capturing sharp and vibrant images even in lower light settings thanks to its advanced sensor technology. The ultra-wide lens captures a 123-degree field of view, which is fantastic for landscapes and group shots, while the macro lens excels in picking up small details up close. The device also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second for smooth, high-quality video content, ideal for content creators and casual users alike. In terms of battery, the Galaxy A56 packs a 5000 mAh battery, ample capacity to last a full day with regular usage. Samsung has equipped this device with 25W fast charging, which gets you back in action relatively quickly compared to many other mid-range models. While it doesn't support wireless charging, the 5000 mAh capacity ensures that you're well covered for daily tasks, from streaming to gaming, without reaching for the charger too often. On the software front, the A56 comes with Android 15 out of the box, alongside Samsung's latest One UI 7.1. This UI is smooth, minimalistic, and offers a host of customization options, allowing users to personalize their experience. One UI 7.1 brings enhanced multitasking, better widgets, and added privacy controls, which are a huge plus. Samsung has also promised 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, making this phone a long-lasting option for those concerned about future-proofing their device. For added features, the Galaxy A56 includes IP67 water and dust resistance, ensuring it's protected against splashes and brief water exposure. It supports Wi-Fi 6E for faster internet speeds and Bluetooth 5.3, offering a stable connection for audio devices. Samsung has also included NFC for mobile payments and dual stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Additionally, the device offers a fast and accurate under-display fingerprint sensor for convenient unlocking, along with facial recognition for those who prefer it. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A56 delivers a solid set of features in the mid-range category. With a high refresh rate AMOLED display, a powerful 64MP camera, a robust battery, and Samsung's reliable software ecosystem, it's an appealing option for those looking for a balance between performance and price. Priced at around $499, the Galaxy A56 brings flagship-level features to the mid-range market. It's an excellent choice for users who want quality without breaking the bank. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Xplorer for more reviews on the latest gadgets.